Hi, it's Carl Kwan. Recently, I've taught you quite a few things about starting your presentations, which is something you should definitely be good at because you want to open your presentation on the right foot. So let's say you're now a master at beginning a presentation and you've done a good job getting through presenting your main content. The next thing you need to get good at is ending your presentation. Maybe I should have said the last thing you need to get good at. Anyway, that's what I'm going to show you, a really simple and effective way to end your presentation. Ending your presentation doesn't have to be difficult, but it's an important step in your presentation's progression. The ending should somehow connect the beginning and your main content. The reason why you have to do this is to remind the audience what they've heard and to make sure you have a nice beginning, middle, and end, just like any good story. So here's what you can say. And that is your subject. What I talked about was summarize your key points. The first thing I want you to do when you leave here today is call to action. Thank you. Are there any questions? The third part of that, the call to action, is very important and shouldn't be left out. The reason is because people need you to give them direction or guidance or some way to make what you said a reality. So here's an example. And that is cross-cultural awareness. What I talked about was the importance and influence of culture, my own cross-cultural experiences, and I gave you a cross-cultural awareness framework. The first thing I want you to do when you leave here today is to implement the first step in the framework and write down your motivation for improving your own cross-cultural awareness. Thank you. Are there any questions? There you go. A really simple and effective way to end your presentation. So go ahead and use this in your next presentation and you'll be sure to leave a good final impression on your audience. If you have any questions or comments, please write them in the comments section below or use the Contact Us page to send an email. Thanks and see you again soon.